Hello guys! In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can send bulk messages on WhatsApp. So without further ado, let's begin. So first, we have to visit this website called Privyr. It is spelled Privyr. So this website allows you to send bulk messages on WhatsApp. And you can use this for free. So now, just tap on Start Using. It will then direct you to this page. And don't worry because there is instructions on how you can use this website. There is also a message template right here that you can use. And then all we need to do is to enter the name of the person and then his or her phone number. After that, you can just tap on Send. You can also paste contacts to populate their details all at once. You can add name or people as many as you want. And that's it. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.